Hello, welcome back to another video. As a value investor myself, I've recently invested in this company, Graphic Packaging Holding Company, or the ticker symbol GPK. And for all of those other value investors out there, I wanted to share with you the research that I did in order for me to decide that I want to buy this particular company. Although this video is intended only as educational or even entertainment purposes only, this is not financial advice. Please don't buy or sell this stock based on this video. Of course, you need to do your own research. Like I said in my first video, I purely want to take you through some of the research I do so that maybe it will help you if you're also a value investor like me. So this particular company is an innovator when it comes to paper-based packaging. They are really at the cutting edge. They have a track record showing that they are at the cutting edge, and they have continually performed well in the market, and thus they have been on my radar. It's not a very exciting business, but it's a very, very important business. It's only going to get more and more important. So from my research, yes, they've focused on the consumer packaging, and this is where they have made a lot of their money. They have a very strong business model. We're always going to need packaging, and they have placed themselves in a very, very good place for that. They also have been able to show that they're very, very good at designing the packaging with sustainable development in mind, and this is something that in the industry has been of growing interest. Years ago, we didn't really care what the environmental impact of the packaging was that we use, but that's only increasing these days. A lot of companies want to show that they're environmentally friendly, and the packaging is a very big part of that. They've also shown that they have some very innovative solutions, if I can speak, sorry. So this is why when I say they're at the cutting edge, the innovation and the efficient processes that they have in the manufacturing, this is why they are at the cutting edge of their industry. And then they have had a growing revenue stream, but more importantly, growing margins. The management is absolutely stellar. They've been in this industry for a long time, and importantly, they've all worked for this company for a long time. As you can see, the CEO has worked for them for a very long time, and the other two almost up to 10 years, right? And also the thing I really like is they're all heavily invested with stock or shares in this company. The fact that the CEO owns 43.8 million worth, that really shows me that he has, a lot of confidence, and he has a lot of interest in increasing that amount of money and increasing the value of his shares. So yes, they're very experienced, but also they are heavily invested in the company. That's what I really like to see. So yeah, basically I've been attracted because of the fact that this company is a leading light when it comes to the packaging and the innovative packaging solutions, and they are very involved when it comes to sustainability and environmentally friendly packaging. And if you think about it, that's only going to get more and more important, and they're very, very well placed to take advantage of that. Now, like you saw in my first video, wow, I don't know why I can't speak today. Anyway, like you saw in my first video, I like to look at the Google trends of the industries that a stock is in before I invest, because I want to see that it's a rising trend. I certainly don't want to see that it's a falling trend. So for the general packaging and labeling industry, you can see that is a growing trend. I wouldn't say it's a massively growing trend, but yes, it is growing. But then when we look at the sustainable packaging, that really is a growing trend. And also the packaging solutions, but it's the sustainable packaging that really gets me excited about this company, because like I said earlier, they're really well placed to take advantage of this, and it's only going to get more and more over time, isn't it? So then I'm going to show you this platform. This is a platform that I really like, that I use a lot when it comes to value investing. I struggled for many years finding a platform that has all the important value investing metrics in one place. So if you're interested in trying it out as well, I'll leave a link in the description. So when we look at this margin of safety, if you're into value investing and if you follow anyone like Graham or Buffett, you'll have an idea what this is. If you don't, you just need to do a Google search and you'll find out very quickly. But essentially, we are using the EPS, we are projecting it in the future so that we have an idea of the potential value of this company, and then we would like to see that we are effectively buying it at a discount to the future potential value, which you can see here. Yes, we are buying it at a very heavy discount, which is good. And then when we look at this very high score here, this is basically saying that all of the underlying financial metrics are all very good. The main ones I like to look at are the return on investment, because obviously that shows that the money that they're actually investing in a good way. And then the cash growth is also a very important one for me, because if a company has extra cash, and if the cash is growing, that shows to me that they're a growing business and that they have extra money available for them to either give back to shareholders in dividends or to reinvest back into the company and help with the company in terms of growth. However, you can see that all these financial metrics, they are all very good. The only one that is only moderate is the EPS, but even that is still more than good enough, you know. So I'm very happy with the financials of this company. And then if we look at the charts, you can see all the charts again are going in the right direction. They are growing, which is good. And then the earnings, you can see, yes, they had one disappointing red result here, but on the whole they have a very, very good, very consistent earnings reports, where they've shown that they can, on a consistent basis, have very good results. Yes, they have a few red, but most of them are green, which I think is very good. Yes, they are actually handing out a dividend, but it's not really a very large one. But if you are interested in that, then yeah, they are actually handing out a dividend, which again is showing us that they must have extra cash available. So yeah, so these are all of the reasons why I really like this company, why I've invested in this company, and I'm about to invest more in this company because, like I said in the first video, I used the wavy tunnel, which is basically like a simplified version of using the Elliott waves, and I find this is a really good way to tell me when I should buy the companies that I'm interested in. So if we look at the weekly chart, we can see that yes, it's in a positive. It's just bounced off here, and I think it will be going up, or it certainly looks like it will. So that's the perfect scenario for me to buy on the daily, and it has just passed the green line. So what I will do is wait for these red lines to also pass through the green line and for the price to come back onto the red lines, and then I will buy more. So yes, it's a very good buying opportunity for me, but like I said at the start of the video, you need to do your own research. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. This is the very start of this channel. Like I said many times, the idea is to share with you my value investing ideas. If you have your own ideas, I would really like to hear them in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.